All right, so now we're at our outdoor unit. This is our Hyper Heat heat pump, which is replacing the oil furnace. This is the outdoor component, and the piping goes up, around, under the deck, and gets to our mechanical room. Just listen, it's super quiet. This is not the heat pump of the 80s. He's very quiet. About 50-ish decibels at 5-ish feet. But important is it's quiet. It's making a hum. This is our disconnect. So power comes from the panel. Customer got an outlet in this case because we have to have a service outlet within 25 feet. And yeah, this is our 3-ton Hyper Heat, fully capable of taking on anything in Seattle that produces heat into the negatives, but it never actually gets below 14 degrees in Seattle, so she's good. Just listen to her purr. So customer's gonna get heating in the winter and air conditioning in the summer. So when it's 100 degrees outside, you're sitting fat and happy upstairs reading the paper. There you go. All right, so this is our Mitsubishi Hyper Heat. What was here was an 85,000 BTU oil furnace. We brought it down to a 3-ton air handler. In this particular case, we don't have the height. We actually cut in through the back, so it actually gets air from the rear of the unit itself. But now we have a smaller unit. We're not burning any fuel oil or gas. And now the customer can decommission their oil tank. Get better, we cut in a return down here. The door's louvered, so we'll get some return air for the lower registers as well. So this is gonna really help improve the house's comfort, get them off oil, and now they have a heat pump, all electric, and it should be a lot cheaper. All right, here's the really cool thing about heat pumps and putting in furnaces that are properly sized. The smallest this furnace comes in is 57,000 BTU all the way to 85,000 BTU. And when we convert these over to Mitsubishi, this is 36,000 BTU. So it's monumentally smaller for this house. Now, this house is pretty well insulated, so it doesn't need all that juice, which is really cool because the unit will last longer, whole 9 yards. So we're gonna get that in here. So now we're outside. Our Mitsubishi is gonna go on this corner. Seattle is getting a little antsy at us putting the units on the side of the house now. So we're just moving these into the backyard for noise, and there's nobody on the sides that are complaining because noise can't make it into the structure. There's nothing next door. Kind of cool, follow the track. Gonna go underneath the electrical service here, jump under the deck, and so we've made our hole. It goes into the basement, crawl space, and then jog back over to the mechanical room.